Hannah. Oh, you're smiling for the camera. Good girl. Did you have a good dinner? Are you sleepy? You sleepy, honey? Should we see how sister's doing? Yeah? Daddy, can we turn her around so she can see? Here's sister. Abby. Oh, you're tired too, honey. Say hi.
Hello. Turn your head. Don't stretch your leg. There you go.
What a pretty girl. Now we'll look at this one over here. You still hungry, honey? Yeah? Yeah, that's a hungry face. It's a hungry face. Gonna give you one more smile before I turn it off?